Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off count and read messages on the application of Vidogram. We go to Vidogram app. In this page here, we go to about this sign. Then we click in this window of settings as you see, and we click. Then in this page we go to this window here and we click on notifications and sound public. And here as you see in this page, you will find this sign and you click. If the sign changed, then you can have turn off count and read messages on the application of Vidogram. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.